It's a reporting system online, FDA's website. When a patient comes and complains about adverse drug reactions or adverse drug event. The difference between side effect and adverse drug event or adverse drug reaction, here's how you know. Side effect is known. During the clinical trials, the patients who volunteered in the clinical trials showed the side effects. When you say ADRs, adverse drug reaction, it didn't show during the clinical trial. So the word is unknown. This is the reason why our vaccines, COVID vaccines, are still on reporting. We still want people to report, patients to report what side effects, because it's a fairly new drug, really, okay? That's why even after marketing it or putting it out in the public, it still continuously goes on clinical trial. What phase clinical trial is that? When it's already out in the market? Phase 4. What's before you test it on humans? What do you call that? Pre-clinical trials. Recalls we use I turned into a 3-year-old. Recalls. Remember, there's always a question on the PTCE. I told you I'm going to spew a lot of things today. For recalls, we use the lot number. Okay? It doesn't mean that all of the bottles, all of the drugs will be recalled. It's a specific batch or group, and that code is called the lot number. Is that clear? Okay. Next one on the bottle is your expiration date. Usually expiration date comes as month/year. When you see that, it pertains to what? The last day of that particular month. Is that clear? Okay. So what is for March 31st? You use your knuckles. You already know that. I'm not going to deal with that. March 31st will be the last that you can use this. In retail setting, if it's we pull those prescriptions depending on the rules of the company. 2 months before expiration, we send them out with credit, depending on the drugs as well, but we usually pull 6 months. Those drugs that are close to 6 months to expiration, we pull them out already. Okay, in hospitals, we mark them. I have to discuss some inventory items too, because freshmen didn't have inventory yet. Okay. Next one is your barcode. Barcoding system is one of the things we use to minimize or prevent medication error. Any computerization, the goal is to minimize medication error. But there's another one that we use in inventory to minimize medication error. Always comes up both on the final exam and on the PTCE. We call it the tall man lettering. What is this? Can you explain what the tall man lettering is?